in respiration. In this module, you will learn about the steps involved in respiration. Breathing. It is a continuous process that involves two steps, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is the process of taking in air, while exhalation is the process of giving out of air. One inhalation and one exhalation constitute one breath. The number of times a person breathes in 1 minute is called the breathing rate. At rest, a normal person breathes 15 to 18 times in a minute. This breathing rate increases up to 25 times per minute while running or doing vigorous exercise. Now, have you ever wondered what do inhaled oxygen do in our body? It is used by our body cells to break down food and release energy. Let us understand how. After inhaling oxygen-rich air, it is transported to the lungs, where blood vessels absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is then transported out of the lungs and expelled through the nose. This process of gaseous exchange in lungs is also called external respiration. Now, the oxygen-rich blood travels throughout the body, delivering oxygen to every cell. Inside the cells, the oxygen breaks down the food molecules to release energy along with waste products, carbon dioxide gas and water vapor. The carbon dioxide gas and water vapor are absorbed by blood, taken to lungs and finally expelled out through the nose. This process, in which exchange of oxygen from the bloodstream takes place with carbon dioxide produced by body cells during breaking down of food into energy, is called cellular or internal respiration. In this way, respiration involves many steps. In this module you have learned. Major steps involved in respiration are breathing, a physical process of inhaling and exhaling air. External respiration in lungs. Transport of oxygen from lungs to cells. Internal or cellular respiration